They didn't just teach formulas, they showed how Excel can solve real world problems. From data. Hey everyone, my name is Mohit and I am from MBA. Recently, I had this amazing session of Microsoft Excel training from St. Andrews. They didn't just teach formulas, they showed how Excel can solve real world problems. From data cleaning to dashboard leaking, and from shortcuts to practical business use case, everything was really clear. But the thing I really liked the most was the time solving tricks that make Excel feel powerful instead of complicated. And the trainer was really wonderful. He explained everything so clearly that even the tough concept felt easy. Last but not the least, I would like to say that just because of this training, Excel has really helped me uplift my skills, and I'm sure that this will help me in my career search. Thank you.